Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to optimize your Squarespace websites for Google SEO or search engine ranking. So today we're going to guide you or to talk about the process of optimizing your Squarespace websites for Google SEO. A well-optimized website can help you rank higher in the search results, attract more visitors, and even grow your business. So let's dive into the steps to enhance your Squarespace website SEO and let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, of course, you'll have to go and access a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use it wherever you want. And start by searching, of course, relevant keywords for your website. You can use tools like Google Keywords Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to identify like the keywords, of course, that your target audience is searching for. Focus on keywords with a good balance of search volume and competition, and you can create a list of primary and secondary keywords that you want to target on your website. As an example, you can use like here Google Planner, so Google keyword as example planner, and hit the enter button. And simply here, I'll just go and click on this first link. And in here, as example, I'll be able to use, the keyword planner without any problems. Once I click on it, as you can see, I'll be taken to it right away. So here, as you can see, you can simply click on discover new keywords, and basically you'll have to enter a product or service closely related to your business. And of course, make sure to change like language to English if you have other languages, and the location to whatever you want. Like let's say, example, United States. Why not? Then click on save. So as an example, of course, you can add like multiple locations, like I don't know, depending on your traffic on your area. As an example, I don't know, maybe you can add Honduras. Also, you can add Austria. You can add Australia, an example, and etc. Of course, if you don't want any specific region, you can simply just go and delete it. So here, as an example, I'll just go and try a keyword that is related to my Squarespace website. So of course, I can go here, open a new tab, go and type, of course, Squarespace website. So first of all, I can have access to my Squarespace website. And make sure to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and create an account. You can use Google to do so, so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. And as you can see, that's going to be my website. If you don't have one, you can simply click on create a website at the top right corner. If you don't know or you need some assistance on that, you can simply watch a video that's already made about it. So as example here on my website, I'll just go and see what products I'm selling, what I'm doing on my website, and try to go here and enter like the specific services or products I provide on my website right here. So as example, I'll just go to maybe selling products and see the products they have. So maybe this, let's say it's a t-shirt, or let's say it's an LED. So I'll just go here and type LED and hit the enter button. Maybe also like t-shirts, hit the enter button. And you can simply enter your site here to filter the unrelated keywords in case keywords in case like you enter something wrong. So if you want to, of course, you can simply just get the URL of your website and enter it right here. Then simply click on get results. Here you'll get the results of all the grades like monthly search. As you can see, average monthly search of the keywords that you use. As an example, so normally LED, t-shirts, LED lights, light storage near me, etc. So this is the most search. Of course, you can download the keywords ideas if you don't want to keep going back to keyword planner. Or you can always, of course, go back to it however you want. You can find the competition of it. You can find every information that you want to know about it. So once you get your keywords here, just create a list, of course, for you. You can open an Excel file or CSV file and start creating a list of primary and secondary keywords that you want to target on your website. Now, next, you can optimize, of course, your page titles and meta description, so you can navigate into pages. As an example, so go to websites, navigate into pages, and basically here this section in websites, click on each page as an example one by one, and then as an example, so let me just wait, so this page specifically as an example, Here, make sure to include or enter unique descriptive title that include like your primary, that's your primary keyword. And you can write some compiling meta description that summarize the contents of the page and includes like some relevant keywords. You can keep the meta description under 160 characters, so it will not be that long. So as example, here on this page specifically, I can go and do so. Of course, how to access this SEO, just click on the settings, click on SEO here. As example, you'll be able to add a title, add a description, as I said. So add a title and description for each page that you have, and make sure it contains the primary keywords and relevant informations. And of course, after that, you can start properly using head tags like H1, H2, H3, etc., which will help the search engines understand the structure of your content. Ensure that each page has a single H1 tag that includes the primary keywords. You can use H2 and H3 tags to organize the content into sections and even subsections. This not only helps with SEO, but also improves the readability of your content. And of course, like content is king when it comes to SEO. So create some high quality images. As an example, so I'll just go here to homepage. So make sure to use some high quality images, informative and engaging content that provides value to your visitors, incorporates your primary and secondary keywords naturally through the content. Aim for longer articles that could never or cover like topics in depth, and as they tend to rank better in search results, update your content regularly to keep it fresh and refreshing or relevant. And of course, you can start optimizing images. So ensure that images have descriptive names and alt text. And of course, make sure to compress images formats like WebP to reduce the file size and improve the page load. And of course, you can start working on improving the site speed, which is very, very crucial to SEO. You can use tools like Google Page Speed Insight or GZ Metrics to analyze your website's performance and implement like certain recommendations to improve load times, such as optimizing image, minifying CSS and JavaScript, leveraging browse caching, and consider using some content delivery network like CDN, or even some further enhanced site speed. And you can start setting up some 301 redirects, create some sitemaps, build some backlinks, and a lot of other stuff that you can do as an example. So yeah, there you have it. You've learned how to optimize your SEO for Squarespace websites, of course, in 2024, or for SEO, for Google SEO in 2024. By following these tips, you can improve your search engine ranking, attract more visitors, and grow your online business. So keep monitoring your SEO performance and make adjustments as needed. So happy optimizing, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.